Hello there, my name is Robert Pound and I'm a product technologist for Quest. Today we're going to discuss unit testing in Toad DevOps Toolkit. Toad DevOps Toolkit is a Windows application that allows you to reliably execute Oracle database functions within continuous integration platforms such as Jenkins, Bamboo, and others. Toad DevOps Toolkit supports access through a number of languages, but the focus of this video will be on PowerShell. It is assumed for this video that you have knowledge of PowerShell, continuous integration platforms like Bamboo and Jenkins, and an understanding of the Toad features being discussed. There are several components to help you along your DevOps journey. The focus of this video will be on the unit testing feature. The focus of this video will be on the unit test feature. It is helpful but not necessary to review the features of Code Tester for Oracle as a reference. It is, however, a requirement to have Code Tester repository for this demo. It may also be helpful to check out the examples folder under your installation, examples, PowerShell, and PowerShell script. There's a wide range of PowerShell examples for your convenience. And if we look at the unit test example, we can see it contains all possible examples for unit test in PowerShell and is available for you to use as a template when you're coding. Now let's switch over to a simplistic example so that we can walk through the basics. Before we get started, it's important to note that I am using PowerShell version 5.0. That is because the examples were developed using PowerShell 5.0. However, it's not a requirement when working with Toad DevOps Toolkit. I am also not using coding best practices for simplicity of the demo. So let's go ahead and begin. To start with, we have our connection information at the top, database schema, as well as the connection string. And the first thing we do is create a new object, a COM object, toad.toadAutoObject, to begin the Toad DevOps Toolkit process. Next, we will connect to our source database using the connection information above and create a unit testing variable so that we may connect the unit test specifically to our source connection. Next, we will add a single object and identify the source schema and the object itself, in this case, the between string function. Next, we will refresh the unit test. This will go out and get all the unit tests for this particular object. At this point, if we were working with a centralized repository, we could, for example, export the tests out via XML and then import those tests back in once we connected to our desired database. However, for this example, the repository is on the same connection as the desired object. For more information on this, you can check out the example file. But in any event, we are iterating through all the tests in this Toad DevOps Toolkit object. And for this instance, not only is there one object, the between strings, but there's only a single test. So we walk through that. We will go ahead and execute the test and get the results. And we will output to the screen whether it passed or failed, in this case passed. And we will come to the next test in the series and find that there are no more. So we will go ahead and quit to stop the process. And that's all I had to share for the unit test in Toad DevOps Toolkit. Hopefully this was helpful in working with PowerShell and the Toad DevOps Toolkit. For more information on this topic, you can go to your help file, which is located under your installation of Toad DevOps Toolkit. You can find the help file. You can also check out the community-driven innovation going on at www.toadworld.com. For more information on this product, go to www.quest.com/products/Toad DevOps Toolkit. Thank you and have a tremendous day.